Hey everyone, I just arrived at my friend's place and spotted a really interesting car. This is a 1990 BMW E30 340i Touring. Let me show it to you. Here it is, the E30. When you think of the BMW E30, you probably picture a classic sedan or coupe. But today we have something special, a BMW E30 Touring. And not just any Touring. This one hides a V8 under the hood. It's a perfect blend of classic design and raw power. Ready to dive in? Let's go. Today we're going to explore the E30 340i Touring, a true sleeper with an incredible heart. Serious tuning work has been done on it. You can see the carbon fiber mirrors. At first glance, it looks like a classic E30 Touring, but if you look closer, you'll notice the details. Custom bumpers, widened fenders, aggressive stance. Everything about it hints at serious power. And some really solid brakes. The wheels? Pure BMW heritage, BBS or Alpina, adding the perfect retro touch. The car looks stunning. Let's check out the trunk. Notice this unique indentation? That's one of the key differences of this Touring model. Now let's talk about the interior. The E30 was known for its driver-focused cockpit, and this Touring version keeps that spirit alive, but with a few modern touches. Inside, we've got Sparco seats. These Sparco racing seats give amazing support, especially for aggressive driving. Wrapped in a mix of leather and Alcantara, they make the cabin feel way more premium than a stock E30. The owner has gone for a carbon fiber interior trim, giving it a sportier, modern feel while keeping that vintage E30 charm. And the whole interior is done in carbon fiber accents. Everything is wrapped in leather. Sitting in this car is an absolute pleasure. And of course, we've got a manual gearbox, because what's a proper driver's car without a stick shift? The short throw shifter makes every gear change feel precise and mechanical. But here's where the Touring version stands out. It's still a practical station wagon. You've got rear seats that actually fit adults and a huge trunk. so you can take your E30 on a road trip with all your gear. All right, time to fire up the engine. One of the coolest things about the E30's interior is this simple yet functional instrument cluster. Classic analog dials, a clear tachometer, and that unmistakable BMW layout. What a gorgeous sound. And that's just at 2,000 RPM. It's the best of both worlds, performance and practicality. Now let's check out what really makes this car special: the engine. Now this is where things get exciting. The stock E30 Touring came with at most A2, 5L, straight 6. But this one? It's been swapped with a 4.0L M60B40 V8 from a BMW 540i. This engine delivers 286 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque. And in a chassis weighing just over a ton, this thing flies. Noe 100 km/h under 6 seconds. And the best part? It's manual, which makes the driving experience even more thrilling. The E30 is the second generation of the BMW 3 Series, introduced in 1982. It set the standard for compact sports sedans, but the touring version didn't arrive until 1987. An idea born from a BMW engineer who custom-built a wagon from a sedan in his garage. BMW loved it and put it into production. But this isn't just any touring. This one has something special. A V8 swap that turns it into an absolute beast. And the exhaust? That alone tells you that there's something serious under the hood. I'll place my phone at the back so you can hear the amazing exhaust sound. Now for the real test. Let's take it for a spin. The first thing you notice is the instant response. The V8 delivers smooth, linear power, and the manual gearbox gives you full control. In the city, it's a true sleeper. No one expects a humble E30 Touring to unleash this kind of power. And now let's listen to that exhaust. The BMW E30 340i Touring is more than just a car. It's a statement. A perfect mix of classic BMW styling and raw power. Finding one like this? That's a rare gem, and their value is only going up. Would you want an E30 like this? Or maybe you already own a classic BMW? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more legendary car content.